Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials on digital world each day, and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below. I regularly check the comments and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. And my channel is growing now with your support, and thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. What I'm trying to do with this video is to tell you a bit about how to video chat on Instagram with up to 6 people through the direct messaging feature. So before talking about this topic, I just want to talk about the video chatting. What are the advantages and disadvantages of video chatting? As you know, more and more organizations are choosing video communication as their primary tool for communicating, from hiring to strategy meetings or even to talk to your friends. This technology can be accessed via smartphones, mobile devices, and desktops. And businesses can connect with multiple correspondents while talking to them and seeing them in real time. Also, even when you're just talking to your friends, you can just connect with so many friends of you in a very short time. But like all communication tools, video chatting has its pros and cons. And I'll just talk about these advantages and disadvantages of video chatting. So let's start with advantages of video chatting. At first, it reduces travel cost. The oldest known advantage of this technology is reduced travel expenses. A decade ago, the only way to collaborate with was to travel to the meeting or to just, to see your friends. And that meant spending cash on transportation, hotel reservations, staff meals, and other travel costs. And video chatting solves all these problems. With video chatting, attendees can join online meetings from anywhere, which significantly minimizes travel costs and time required for traveling. And technology can accomplish same results in less time and at the fraction of the cost business would spend on trips abroad. And the other advantage is that it enhances teamwork, especially in business. Video communication connects teams across the globe, eliminating the barriers created by face-to-face or the need to commute to meetings, and colleagues can collaborate without restraints and make faster decisions. Also, meetings could be called immediately globally with little notice, where teams can come together to discuss projects and jointly work through documents. And the technology is also helpful for education. Remote employees can train jointly, and video conference recording lets users record lessons and rewatch them when they have time. And also improved communication. With video chatting, you can just, the start and end times are usually agreed upon before the video call starts, allowing for a more detailed discussion. Also, attendees are likely to stay focused on the agenda of the meeting rather than frustrating emails from clients where some meanings are not clearly understood. Attendees can see body language and expressions from clients, colleagues, and partners, making communication clearer. And expressions of dissatisfaction or concern can easily be addressed then through voicemails and emails, making these communications the nearest thing to being in the same room with all the attendees, with all your friends. And more flexible. Regardless of how much notice is given for a meeting, it's unavoidable that there will be days when certain participants can't attend for some reason. With face-to-face meeting, this can be a big blow, especially if their presence is important to the meeting. The benefit of video chatting is that the meeting can still run as scheduled despite unanticipated situations that stop participants from attending. And employees will no longer have lame excuses when they fail to attend the meeting. Also, your friends also will not have excuses when they fail to attend the meeting. And being able to connect with them through video chatting removes a whole pile of pressure from your day. And the other advantage is increased productivity. We've all been to meetings where some attendees arrive late, or every participant talks over everybody else, making the conference go over time. And team members might feel discouraged when they leave the meeting room, feeling misunderstood and as though they were ignored during the discussion. Video communication ensures that team members connect effectively, bonding their relationships. And this boosts their morale and keeps communication flowing smoothly. Also, since video communication makes communication easier, it helps employees attain the balance they require in order to feel content and fulfilled in their lives. With these advantages of video communication, there are some disadvantages of video communication as well. So, the first one is that it can be harder to focus. While video communication offers countless benefits, it takes away from a personal side of discussion. For instance, participants may miss out on the clues given by other people's body language, which can be more revealing than what they're actually trying to say. As such, it can be harder to engage someone through a video screen, meaning it can be harder to focus on what is being discussed in the meeting or what is being talked in this, chat. And instead of being in the ambience of the meeting, you are in your own atmosphere, which may limit how you receive and retain the information. Another one is time delay between responses. The second drawback of video communication is that there may be a small time delay between responses. Actually, it happens to me all the time, especially when I talking to my friends on video by using video communication. There's always a problem with time delay between responses, so sometimes we just talk at the same time, and we can't just understand each other. We have to just repeat what we are saying again and again. So yeah, sometimes it could be really boring. This is one major problem that most service providers in the industry continue to face. And yeah, it's a big problem, I think. The other one is the technology can fail. Video communication is dependent on technology, which might fail in the middle of a discussion. And this can be frustrating, especially if you are racing against time to complete an important project. One thing that doesn't happen when meeting face-to-face is being disconnected when holding a meeting. This can happen on free or cheap equipment, so free tools may not be best solution for businesses, hospitals, or schools. And when critical issues relating to such industries are to be discussed, quality equipment may be the only solution. And the other one is audio quality is poor. Another issue is audio quality, especially with large audience. It might be difficult to hear the speaker without the earphones, or if the speaker is not near the microphone. So this is because the further away one is from the mic, the harder it is to hear them. Moreover, you would need quality speakers in order to hear the entire room. And this explains why you need to invest in top-notch speakers and microphones. So this is another issue, this is another advantage of video chat. So if this part is clear, let's just go on with the other part. Just, how to video chat on Instagram with up to 6 people through the direct messaging feature. Announcing the new features that COVID-19 has published due to an epidemic with a blog post that it has prepared today, Instagram also introduced its video calling feature. Thanks to this new feature, Instagram allows users to video chat with multiple people. Though not everyone is aware of it, Instagram's direct messaging feature has a video chat option available, provided you have the latest version of the app installed. Before you get started, be aware that you can only video chat with up to 6 people here, and as long as you're able to direct message someone, you should be able to video chat with them. And here's how to do it, whether you want to video chat with a single person or a group of Instagram users. So, at first, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android phone and log into your account if necessary. And then tap the paper airplane icon in the top right corner of the screen. You can just see that here on the picture. Tap the paper airplane icon in the top right corner of the screen and select the username of the person you want to video chat with, or to video chat with multiple people up to 6, select a group name. And then tap the video icon in the top right corner of the screen to begin your video chat. Your screen will immediately convert to a video chat, which you can shrink if you need to look at other things on your screen during your conversation. And if you want to add another user to the conversation after you set it up, simply swipe up on the video chat and tap Add beside their username. You may have to search for their username if it doesn't appear in the suggested list, and that's it. You can just make a video chat on Instagram just like that, easily, so easily. So I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching. The quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, or leave a comment below. And feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content. I'll talk to you all